So what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to be scraping and sanding this 55-gallon drum cover. This is going to be a smile, a happy face emoji for the garden. Now hopefully what you can see here is this whole thing will be yellow once I get it cleaned up. Then I'll put something behind here, paint it black, and I'll make some eyes. And then I'll make a big mouth that'll probably encompass this, or I'll do like a curved mouth where it starts out small here, comes up here kind of like a sly grin. So I'm working on that now, but this will be yellow, eyes, mouth will be black, and then this will be hung in the garden. So stick around for that. Coming soon to a garden near you.